Once the most powerful representative of violence aesthetics, Russia's military industry is now really a little bit fragmented. No, Kamazov, the head of the international group, had to admit a piercing fact at the Dubai Air Show: there is not much food left at home. In the past, Russia sold arms, which was a profiteering business that easily earned $14 billion a year. But since the sound of the cannon in 2022, this performance has directly come to a knee-jerk, and even a halving is considered light. The data will not lie. This is simply a large-scale powder removal scene. The think tank in Stockholm calculated an account. In the past, 47 countries around the world queued up to buy Goose-made equipment, which was a great sight. Looking at it now, in less than 2 years, 3 of the customers have run, and only 33 are still insisting on placing orders. To put it bluntly, everyone looks at your performance on the Ukrainian battlefield, and they are all worried about whether you can buy this thing back and fight it. So who is giving Russia blood transfusions now? It has to be our big brothers on the list. In Asia, the data shows that India is still the most loyal elephant, with a single person shouldering 38% of Russia's export share. China also accounts for 17% for strategic reasons, plus Kazakhstan, which basically covers Russia's arsenal. As for the share of Africa and Europe, it is not enough to even plug the teeth, and it is basically negligible. The worst thing is that the market share has plummeted from 21% 5 years ago to just over 7% now. This is more of a circuit breaker in the stock market and a collapse in the market. Although Chemezov stubbornly threw Guoquan to the Western sanctions, saying that it was because parts could not come in and funds could not be turned.